Welcome back to the channel, the place where we're making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. Hey, if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I'm putting out how-to videos for the weekend mechanic and providing the Bronco entertainment for the Bronco community. Today, what we're working on is we're putting hydraulic hood props on my 1974 Bronco restoration project. First, I'm going to install the ball stud onto the fender bracket. Next, I'm going to put the lower fender bracket onto the third fender bolt hole. When I put this on here, my fender bracket doesn't sit flush with the inner fender and kicks the holes out of alignment. So I'm just going to bend this tab down here and get it a little closer. With the bracket lined up, I'm going to drill my hole for the lower bracket bolt. Now when I drilled this hole, I made sure to first tighten this nut down because you can see my holes aren't lining up right now. But as I tighten this down, my holes line up. Then you put your washer and your bolt through, and then washer and nut on the other side. Now the next part is installing the bracket onto the hood, but instead of just going with this little bracket, I'm actually going to go with the hood prop brace. Now this thing adds a lot more support to the hood. You can see it actually braces two of the hood panels, so a lot sturdier when you're pulling it down. I think this is going to be a lot better option. This is just an upgrade from Toms that you can get. Simple bracket, but definitely makes the difference. So I just shut myself in the engine bay and marked right here where the side of the inner fender was underneath, so that when this closes, it doesn't accidentally hit the inner fender or anything like that, that it has enough room. So looking at it, right about here is the side of the inner fender. So my bracket needs to go inside that line so that the shock doesn't hit the inner fender. So that's it, super easy to install, and the hood props look great. And man, those braces really do help, because you just don't want to be, pulling down and bending your new hood as you're pulling down on the hood. I'll put links in the description below where you can pick up some from Toms Offroad. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.